it's too hot.
Just let me do it.
Since it's hot. It's hotter than you think it is. Hold it. Yeah, I dare you.
Wait a minute. What?
Rip it.
No, it's fine. I got rid of it.
Yeah, see, it's cooled down now. It wasn't that hot before. It was way hotter than that.
Turn on.
Move.
Turn on.
Turn it on. That has to be on.
I know.
That's not bad.
I know that. That's why I move. Let me do
Oh,
it.
that's pretty good.
Because the power's off. Because the power's off. No one has power now.
That's real good.
What's pretty good?
It's not bad.
Just wait here then.
Wait,
are you guys using this?
We are. Yes, we are.
No.
That has battery.
Wait,
That has battery. No, we're
That's not
using
working.
that. Using
No.
that.
We're
using that.
Man, you're not gonna take it out my hand. No. Ain't just getting jumped by two girls.
It's alright. It's not like amazing, but it's good for what we have.
Stop! No, stop! Stop, bro. This one's clean, bro.
No, this one has batter on it. This one has batter on it.
Yeah, you guys are using it as a pancake. Wait. Bro, wait. Just trust me on this, bro. Wait. Trust me.
You are a cook.
I am.
Oh. Wait. That looks burnt.
It's cinnamon. She gave us the bigger one. Are y'all tall? That one looks like chocolate. Chocolate? What is this? Wait.
No, help him. He's bad.
Trust me, bro. Trust.
You're
Giving me,
It is hot, though.
Yeah, literally.
No, we're supposed to do it. We're supposed to do it. Y'all working it. Y'all
No, I don't. No, it's back on.
try, guys.
Because all the air is trapped inside. When you open it, it's really hot air. That's what makes it hot.
Oh, yes, it's on. It's on. It went off, yeah? No more.
Yeah, you just stop making French toast. That's not good.
No, that's what she said. Okay, no more. That we made French toast.
No, we make real.
That's why. Wait, bro, move, bro, wait. No, trust me.
Hey, I'm gonna make a good cheese.
Stop it!
Wait, it's all. Let me check on it.
It's not done.
We have no more power. We have no more power. Put over there. We have no more power, bro.
I know! We all know.
That's why it won't cook, bro. I'll show you.
Then
Why you make
all
that?
the
Oh, we all
power.
know it.
Oh, we're talking about
That's fine.
Okay, good. Hey, go back. Let's make it that.
Okay, Scoot, I need to go.
Off. It's wrong. Wait, close it. Okay,
Okay, then let me cook.
1 hour. Okay.
Let me start
Okay,
making.
you stop that one with you, this one for this.
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese, this one gone. Grilled cheese over here.
That works. It works.
Like the stretchy one?
French toast
And the pen pot and grilled cheese over here. Take that one off.
Mom, cheddar cheese is not stretchy. If you want a cheese pool, you have to use different cheese. American cheese
literally,
doesn't
like
have
you're
that
too
much
bossy.
good cheese.
Yeah. Literally, you ordered them and we all have.
Wait, he's that floppy mess.
You can't use.
No,
you
help
can't-
him. No, he's a bad
Aiden, try it, bro. It tastes so bad, bro.
You have to like use
Aiden,
mozzarella.
he told me to. The cinnamon, bro. Y'all try it. The cinnamon.
Help
Stuck in
him
a waffle maker. That's a
boss. It is so good. Do it.
Angelina, come here.
Give me the punch then.
Two cheese, two something. Okay?
Bro,
No,
now
it's
the
two cheese. That's two cheese.
Nó đòi bánh kia, nó đòi bánh khác cơ.
He's the
Thích
boss.
con
He's
mèo
gonna
á.
do it.
Thích bánh con mèo.
No cheese pool.
It's us doing.
Then we should put it there a little bit longer.
Oh.
No, it's not that. It's just.
Okay.